Hi everyone, welcome to the Codersarts YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining you our new project that we have built, which is a simple shareable doc application. Its name is LockNote, and in this application, you have an option to enter some data or enter some information in the doc, create a shareable link with anyone, and when that particular person will be clicking on that particular link, they will have to enter the OTP. By entering that OTP only, they will be able to view your doc. So like you can make it either OTP protected or either just a shareable link which you can share with anyone. And also it's a live shareable, means if you are entering some information in this window, then they will be also able to view that particular thing. So let me give you all of these contexts in a more understandable format. So let's get started with the demo part. So this is the user interface that you will be first seeing. Now here you have to enter some of the text that you want other people to view. So let me write just simple thing, hello world. After that we have to click on create doc. Now you can see two options. First is document sharing setting. You can either protect it or you can just simply share the link. If here you are getting the shareable link, I can just click on this copy link. I can just share it with anyone. So as you can see, it's visible over here. Now if I want to make these link protected, now for that what I have to do, I just have to toggle this button, uh, choose the expiry time of my OTP. So I can just make it either 1 hour, or let's just make it 2 hour, uh, 2 hours, and after that we will just come on 2 hours. After that we will just click on save setting. As you can see, document is now protected with OTP, and the OTP is this. If I just share this link with anyone, now I can just copy the link, I can paste it over here. You can see it's asking for OTP. I will have to enter this particular OTP, then only I will be able to view this document over here. Now if I just as I have mentioned earlier, this is like updating in the real time. So if I just show you that as well, let me just show you that thing. So if I enter something over here, hello world, my name is, so as you can see, it's updating in the real time. Now you might be thinking, suppose if I want to change the password in between, then what I have to do, sorry, OTP in between, then what I have to do. So let's suppose you have generated new OTP, okay, and you have click on save setting. Now whenever you will do this thing, the other person will get this pop-up that OTP has been changed. You have to enter now the new OTP. So they will click on enter new OTP. Then if they when they will enter this OTP over here, then only they will be able to view this particular doc. So if like in between, if you want to change the OTP because your OTP got exposed to the people, then you can do that also, like make the protection again. So this was the overall feature that I have implemented, or that we have implemented in this application to make your doc a bit more protected. So this was the overall application. Now you might be asking, what's the need of this particular application? Like why you have built it? We have already existing some application like Google Docs. So the main thing over there is that even if you are able to generate a shareable link with can be viewed by anyone, but suppose if your link get exposed to other people, then anyone can view that content. So to protect the thing with OTP, even over here, if your link get exposed, if they don't have the access of the OTP, then they won't be able to view your document, because it's OTP protected. They have to enter the OTP, then only they will be able to view your document or whatever you have written. So after, you can think of like our OTP can also get exposed, so you can change the OTP as I have shown over here. You can change the OTP if you want, and after you have changed the OTP, then they will be get popped out to enter the new OTP. So it's of like a more protected way to share the document with anyone. So this was the main USP of this application that we have built. So I hope you have understood like what's the use case that we can take out of this application. Now there are a lot more things that we can implement in this, like two-way editing feature. If we are sharing with the link with someone else, they should and if they want to edit something, they can also do that. So like we can implement this two-way editing option as well. And there are a lot more features that we can implement. If you have some idea in your mind that this product can be like the feature can be implemented in this particular product, just let me know in the comments section. I will try to build this feature in this application or implement that feature. So that's all from my side for today. Now, if you have any more questions or any suggestions, just let me know in the comment section. I will take your feedback, and you can also follow us on our social media handles. Links will be available in the description box. And one more thing that I want to discuss with you, if you have any product idea in your mind or in general an MVP that you want to build, you can email on our email address, which is contact@codersart.com. We will help you out with that. Or even if you have any in general technical needs that you are not able to solve by your own, Coder Arts is with you. We will help you out with all of your technical needs, or we can work with you as your technical partner. So think about that, and if you think that we can help you in any of these ways, just email us. So that's it from my side. See you in the next video.